Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add delivery time in your for your orders in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for that, we will be needing to add only some extensions or our plugins. And simply, you will need to go to the admin panel of WordPress, and after that, we can go to the WooCommerce plugin, go to extension, and basically, we will find some extension that would add this feature. So either you can have it added to your WooCommerce directly in your account by adding it here in the WooCommerce Marketplace, and basically you can display a countdown time for the same day patch on WooCommerce, or you can have an estimated delivery date in time for your orders, or you can choose like an order delivery date in time scheduler or anything that you would like. And basically you will find many extensions and just choose the one that you would like. Another way to do it is just to go to the plugins, and simply we need just to click on add new plugin, and we will add these keywords again, delivery time, and the search result would give us the plugins concerning WooCommerce, since we already have the WooCommerce plugin. And as you can see, there is already the delivery and pickup date time for WooCommerce, and we can simply choose this one. And I'm just going to see the screenshot. And as you can see, this is the UI or the user interface, and this is how you can start organizing your orders. So I'm just going to install it now, and we are going to wait for the installing process to finish, and we are going to activate our plugin so we can have it here in our menu. And simply we will need just to search for the WooCommerce, uh, and we can also go to the plugins here, and we check to for our plugin, and we are just going to search for our plugin that we have just added, and you can go to setting so you can start setting up your plugin. And from here, you can start setting up your delivery dates or your order settings. And basically, you can also have your all your settings from here. And after that, you will be able to start having your delivery time in your store. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.